always such a great thing to join with you and recognize that something within us, right, is moving us not only to come together on Facebook Live, but just to take a time of rest and a time of centering ourselves before we move out into the world and to the experiences that await for us. So, good morning to all of you. Good morning, Rachel. Great seeing you and John here. I know you shared the screen. um, and so today's theme for the meditation is about being open and really allowing ourselves to be enthusiastic about what is to come, to be enthusiastic about the day and the experiences that we're going to have. And I'll just share quickly that I was dropping off, I was talking to my son about school. And he said, I don't like school. I don't like it. I don't want it. And we had a conversation about, having a positive outlook, regardless of where you're heading, what you're going to be doing. The fact that having a positive outlook creates a positive experience, the likelihood of a more positive experience, and a negative attitude can really create a much more negative experience. So that's where some of the meditation theme came from. So, good morning, Ruth, and good morning, Ginny. And I feel like I've spoken already way too much. And so, we're going to get started. And I'm going to just invite us to take a deep, refreshing breath. Let's take another deep breath. And if you haven't done so already, gently close your eyes and relax. Here and now, we welcome this experience, this sacred moment. For it is a holy experience. As we take a pause and as we allow ourselves to feel into our divine connection with God, with the energy of love and peace, wholeness. This is an experience of becoming aware more deeply of the truth of our being. It's a moment of being intentional about creating for ourselves a day of peace, a day of connection and understanding. Tapping into the energy that is here and now and all around us, the presence of presence. So take another deep breath. And in this oneness, you recognize deeply that the very Spirit of God, the Christ within you, is your center. Is a fountain of energy which you tap into, lean into here, now, in this moment. Feeling as your heart unfolds this truth of your being, you are the Christ. The Buddha energy, divinity itself. And you sense now your mind quieting, becoming more still. The mind quiets as you tenderly release any feelings or thinking that you aren't worthy or good enough. For here and now, you more deeply accept the truth that you are the Christ and so worthy of a great day, worthy of experiences that fulfill you, bring you a deeper sense of joy and peace. You are worthy. As you move deeper and further into this truth that you are worthy of good, for you are good. You feel as you release fear, anxiety, stress, whether conscious or unconscious, you begin to feel the stress leave your body. Take another deep breath. Here and now. The wisdom of God is as you. And so you see today through the eyes of wisdom, knowing the truth of this moment and of your day, the truth of each experience you will move through today. That truth being you and God are one. Divine guidance is yours. And so as you more fully allow this divine guidance to lead you, to inspire you in your activities today, you know that today is blessed. For you are being guided by the divinity that you are, the divinity within you. And so, wherever you go, however you are led, you recognize that it is for your highest good. You set the intention now to claim it as your highest good. Today is for my highest good. And so, having the wisdom to know the truth of your day, having the trust of the guidance and the ways in which you are inspired to live out this day, you feel enthusiasm build up within you, the zeal and the zest for life, the zeal and the zest for experiencing more of God through your day. You may even now be feeling this zeal and enthusiasm as tingling throughout your body, throughout your being. This buzzing energy that flows from the center of your being throughout your body. It is the energy of expecting good. Expecting all that God is to be made known more fully to us today. So take a deep breath. Allow yourself to tap into this wellspring of energy. This wellspring, the fountainhead of this zeal, enthusiasm, zest. Let us just experience that here and now. In the silence, experience and embody this enthusiasm for today. And if you aren't doing so already, just allow yourself to smile. Feel not only the physical smile upon your face, but that inward smile of spirit. For today we claim a deep and expansive awareness that today is ordained as a blessing. That today you are guided to experience life anew. And that the possibilities of today are endless. Positive, good possibilities show up. And you step into them fully owning your truth. And that itself creates enthusiasm, continues to build this zeal. We are enthusiastic about today, for today is already a good day. And so know that here and now, we affirm for you a blessed day, a day full of peace and joy and love, a day full of understanding, compassion, and wisdom, a day that truly is a great blessing, and a day where you show up as a blessing also. So it is as we let it be. Feel the smile and let that smile carry you through today. For we know you and God are one. Amen and amen.